If you want to create a professional accounting website that helps you attract clients, build trust, and showcase your services online, this video is for you. In this step-by-step WordPress tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make an accounting website from scratch, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll have your domain name and hosting set up, WordPress fully installed, a professional accounting website design imported, your services, contact details, and pages customized, and your website fully live on the internet. No coding, no technical experience needed. Just a clean, modern accounting website designed to help you grow your business. For this tutorial, I'll be using Bluehost, which is a beginner-friendly hosting provider that makes the setup process really simple. It also includes a free domain name when you choose an annual plan. And if you want the best Bluehost discount available, click the link in the description below. You'll get an exclusive discount of up to 78% off, plus a free domain name. If you go directly to Bluehost without it, you'll see higher prices. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You still get the best possible deal. Before we jump into the setup, let me quickly show you the accounting website you're going to build in this tutorial. This is a clean, professional accounting website designed to help you attract clients and build trust right away. At the top, you've got a modern hero section with a clear headline, call to action button, and a professional layout that makes a strong first impression. As you scroll down, you'll see your services section, where you can showcase things like accounting, tax services, bookkeeping, or consulting. You can easily customize all of this with your own content. Further down, you can add trust elements like testimonials, certifications, or client results to build credibility. And of course, you'll have a contact section so potential clients can easily reach out or request a consultation. This type of website works perfectly for accountants, CPAs, financial advisors, or anyone offering professional services. And the best part is, I'm going to show you exactly how to build this step by step. Let's get started. The first step is to choose your domain name and hosting. Go to the description below and click the Bluehost link. That link gives you up to 78% off plus a free domain name, and it'll take you directly to the correct pricing page. Once you click it, you'll land on the Bluehost page. From there, click Get Started. Once you click Get Started, you'll see three main plans: Personal, Starter, and E-commerce Essentials. For most of you creating an accounting website, the Personal plan is more than enough. It allows you to create one website, includes fast NVMe storage, and is ideal for new or small business sites. If you plan to build multiple websites in the future, then the Starter plan gives you more flexibility with additional websites and more storage. The E-commerce Essentials plan is designed for online stores or websites that need advanced selling features. But again, if you're building one accounting website, the Personal plan is perfectly fine to start with. So I'm going to select the Personal plan. After selecting your plan, you'll be taken to the domain page. This is where you can register a brand new domain name or connect one you already own. If you're starting fresh, just type in the domain name you'd like, something like yourbusinessname.com, and click search to see if it's available. If you already own a domain, select I want to use a domain I already own. And if you're not sure what name you want yet, you can click choose domain later, and Bluehost will assign you a temporary domain so you can start building immediately. You'll also see an option for domain privacy plus protection. I personally recommend this. Without it, your name, email, and address are publicly listed in the Whois database. With domain privacy enabled, Bluehost replaces your information with theirs, keeping your personal details private. If you value privacy, it's worth considering. Next, you'll choose your term length. You'll save the most money with the longer terms, like 3 or 4 years, because they offer the biggest discount. The 1-year term still gives you a good discount. It includes the free domain. Just keep in mind, the monthly term does not include a free domain and costs the most overall. For this tutorial, I'm selecting the 1-year term. Next, create your account, review the optional add-ons, and enter your payment details. Once you click Submit Payment, Bluehost will finalize your purchase and email your login credentials. After a moment, your hosting account will finish setting up, and the best part, Bluehost automatically installs WordPress for you, so you won't have to manually configure anything. After your account finishes setting up, you'll be taken to your Bluehost dashboard. Under the Websites tab, this is where you manage your website. You'll see your new website listed there. Click Manage, and then click WordPress Admin to log directly into WordPress. Now we're inside WordPress. This is where we'll actually build your accounting website. Now let's install our WordPress theme. Go to Appearance, Themes, Add New, search for Astra. Astra is lightweight, beginner-friendly, and works perfectly with Elementor, which is what we'll be using to customize our accounting website. Click Install, then Activate. And just like that, your new theme is live. Now, instead of building everything from scratch, let me show you how to import a professionally designed accounting website in just a few clicks. Go to Plugins, Add Plugin, search for Starter Templates, click Install Now, then Activate. Once the plugin is activated, you'll land on the Welcome to Astra page. Click Exit Guided Setup in the top right. Next, go to Appearance, Starter Templates, select Classic Starter Templates, then click Build with Templates. Next, choose Elementor as your page builder. If a different builder is selected at the top, just switch it to Elementor. Now you'll see a large library of professionally designed websites. You can search, browse categories, or scroll through the full collection. Hover over the Professionals category and click Accountant. This will filter templates specifically designed for accounting websites. If you see Premium next to a template, that means it requires the paid version. The free ones will not have that label. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the template called Chartered Accountant. Once you select a template, you'll have the option to upload a logo, choose fonts, set brand colors. If you don't have those ready yet, that's completely fine. We can customize everything later. Click Continue. On the Select Features page, you can choose additional options, but for this tutorial, I'll click Skip this step. Then on the next screen, just click Submit and Build My Website. Now, WordPress will import the full website for you. This usually only takes about a minute. And just like that, your professionally designed accounting website is built. Click View Your Website to see it live. Now let's customize it. At the top of the page, click Edit with Elementor. This opens Elementor's drag and drop editor, where you can visually edit everything on your website in real time. Text, images, colors, layouts without touching any code. And this is where the fun begins. Now let's start by customizing the most important part of your website, the top section, also known as the Hero section. This is the first thing visitors see when they land on your site, so we want it to clearly represent your accounting business. To change the background image, right-click anywhere inside the top section and select Edit Container. Then go to the Style tab, click Background Overlay. If you want to remove the current image, hover over it and click the trash can icon. To replace it, click the Image area. From here, you can either upload a new image from your computer or select one from your media library. For this tutorial, I'm going to keep it as is. Now let's make it look even more professional. Click Backgrounds. Click into the color option to choose an overlay color. This is helpful for improving readability and matching your brand colors. And that's how you customize the top section background. Now that the background looks the way we want, let's update the text so it reflects your accounting business. Click directly on the headline. You'll see the text appear in the left panel. Go ahead and change it to whatever you'd like. Once you've updated it, click the arrow next to Publish, then select Save Draft. To preview your changes, click the Preview Changes icon, and just like that, you've edited your first section using Elementor, no coding, just click, edit, and save. Now let's edit a button. You notice there are two buttons here. If you'd like to remove one, just right-click on it and select Delete. Click directly on the button. From the left panel, you can change the button text and paste the URL into the link field. If you click the small settings icon next to the link, you can choose to open it in a new window mark it as no follow. You likely won't need these right away, but it's good to know they're there. You can also add an icon by selecting Icon Library or uploading your own SVG. Under the Style tab, you can change text color, background color, and under Hover, you can customize how it looks when someone moves their mouse over it. This gives your site a more interactive, professional feel. Now let's replace an image. You'll see the image here. Click directly on it. In the left panel, click the image area. From here, you can upload a new image, search for stock images, or choose one from your media library. I'll select one I've already uploaded and click Select. And just like that, the new image appears. If needed, you can adjust alignment or styling under the Style tab. Now let's customize the services section so it reflects your actual accounting business. Scroll down until you see the section that lists your services, then click on one. Go ahead and update the text to one of the accounting services you offer. For example, bookkeeping services, tax preparation, payroll services, financial consulting, business accounting, audit and assurance, CFO services. Keep it simple and clear. Focus on what you do and who you serve. Remember, your goal here isn't just to list services, it's to clearly communicate what you specialize in and make it easy for potential clients to understand what you offer within seconds. And once you've updated your services, click Save Draft. If you offer detailed service pages, like a full page for bookkeeping, tax services, or payroll, you can also link each service to its own dedicated page. Just click on the service title, scroll down to the link field, and paste the URL of the page you want it to connect to. You can also link to the page with the button showing. This helps improve navigation and makes your website feel more professional. Let me show you how to add new elements and sections to build out your site even further. Click the plus icon in the top left to open the Elements panel. From here, you can drag in widgets like headings, images, buttons, icon boxes, and many more. Simply drag the element into place and start customizing it immediately. You can edit content, change colors, adjust spacing, modify layout. If you want to duplicate something, right-click and select Duplicate. To remove it, right-click and choose Delete. Remember, nothing is permanent. Everything can be moved or changed at any time. If you want to add a brand new section, scroll to where you'd like it. Hover and click the plus icon. Click the plus icon again. Choose Flexbox, then select your layout structure. Now you can drag elements into this new section and build it out however you'd like. To move a section, click the 6 dots icon and drag it. To delete a section, hover and click the X. Finally, if you scroll down, you'll see the Starter Templates option. Click Blocks to browse pre-designed sections like testimonials, contact areas, or hero sections. If you find one you like, click it and click Import Block to add it instantly. This is a great way to expand your site quickly without designing everything from scratch. Now I want to go over the contact form and make sure it's set up correctly because this is how potential clients will reach you. Scroll up to the contact form on the page. This is the same form you'll find on your contact page as well. Now let's go ahead and customize it. First, let's save our changes. Click Save Draft. Next, click the preview icon to open your website. Hover over your site name at the top and click Dashboard. Then go to WPForms. You'll see your Contact Us form listed here. Hover over it and click Edit. This opens the WPForms builder. Click on Settings, then go to Notifications. This is where you can control where form submissions are sent. In the Send to email address field, make sure this is your actual business email address, the one where you want to receive customer inquiries. If this isn't updated, you may not receive form submissions, so double check this carefully. You can also change the From email if needed. Next, click Confirmations. This is the message visitors see after they submit the form. You can customize this to say something like, "Thank you for contacting us. We'll get back to you within 24 hours. This makes your website feel more professional and responsive. If you want to change the form itself, click on any field to edit it. From the left panel, you can rename the field, make it required or optional, change the field size, add placeholder text. If you'd like to add a new field, simply drag it in from the left. To duplicate or delete a field, hover over it and select the appropriate option. Once you're finished, click Save at the top. Then click the X to exit the builder. Now your contact form is fully set up, and every time someone fills it out, the message will be sent directly to your email. I'm back here on the contact page. Now let's make sure your phone number is set up correctly. Click Edit with Elementor to bring up the editor for the page. Scroll to wherever your phone number appears. Click on it. To update it and make it clickable, copy the HTML code I provide in the description and paste it here. It will look like this. The first number inside the TEL colon is what makes the phone number clickable. Replace it with your own number, making sure there are no spaces, parentheses, or hyphens, just the full number with the country code. This allows mobile users to tap the number and automatically start a call, making it much easier for potential clients to reach you. Then update the second number as well. This is the number that actually displays on your website. This is especially helpful for accounting businesses that want to make it easy for clients to request quotes or schedule consultations. Once you've updated it, click Save Draft. Now let's add a map so customers can easily find your business location. Go to the map section. If the template you are using doesn't show a map, click the plus icon and search for the Google Maps widget. You can drag it to where you want it, hover over the map, and click the pencil icon to edit it. In the left panel, under Location, enter your full business address. You can adjust the zoom level to control how close the map appears, and change the height to make it taller or shorter on the page. At the top of the screen, you may see a notification about adding a Google Maps API key. This is required for the map to display properly on your live website. Click the Create Your API Key link. This will take you to Google Cloud's platform. Scroll down and click Go to Credentials page. Then click Create Project. Enter a project name. You can simply use your business or website name and click Create. Once the project is created, Google will generate an API key. Copy this key. Now go back to the editor for the page. Click the Integration Settings link in the notification message. Paste your API key into the Google Maps API field and click Save Changes. Once saved, your map will display correctly on your live website. This setup only needs to be done once. After that, your map will continue working normally. If you don't have a physical office location, you can skip the map or display the city or service area instead. Now let me quickly show you a few important Elementor basics you should know. At the top right of Elementor, click Publish whenever you're ready to make your changes live. If you click the arrow next to it, you can save the page as a draft or even save it as a template to reuse later. If you ever want to preview your site, click the eye icon. You can also switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views to make sure everything looks good on every device. If you click the Elementor icon in the top left, then click Exit to WordPress, then click the WordPress icon, it'll take you back to your WordPress dashboard. Under Pages, click Add New to create additional pages like a Services page, About page, or Contact page. Under Appearance, Menus, you can edit your navigation menu. From here, you can add new pages to the menu, rearrange items, create drop-down submenus, rename, or remove menu items. Just drag items slightly to the right to create a submenu. Click Save Menu when you're finished. If you ever need extra features on your site, you can go to Plugins, Add Plugin, and search for additional functionality. There are thousands of plugins available to expand what your website can do, and that's the core of how WordPress works. Now let's quickly look at the header. This is the top section of your website where your logo, navigation menu, and phone number usually appear. To edit it, go to Appearance, Customize. Here you can click directly on elements like the logo, menu, or call to action button to edit them. You can move things around to get them how you'd like. If you click on the logo, you can upload your own business logo. If there's a call to action button, like get a quote, you can edit the text and link here as well. To remove something, click the X button here next to it. Once you're done, click Publish to save your changes. Now scroll down to the bottom of your website to the footer. You can click on the copyright text and update it to whatever you'd like. To edit the footer, first click Publish to save your changes. Then click the X icon to return to your site. From here, hover over Edit with Elementor and click Footer. Now you can update things like your business address, phone number, email, just like we did in the header area. This is also a great place to add your service areas if needed. You'll also notice social media icons here. You can link them to your profiles or remove them if you're not using social media. Once you're finished, click Publish. Now let's go ahead and add a favicon. To do that, we need to go back to the Customizer. Click the preview icon, then at the top, click Customize. From here, click Site Identity. You can now upload or change your favicon. This is the small icon that appears in your browser tab. Now let's quickly update your global site styles so everything matches your brand. Click the back arrow icon as many times as you can. Click the global icon in the left side menu. Here you'll see options for colors, typography, buttons, and more. Click Colors. This is where you can set your primary brand color, for example, a deep blue, navy, or a subtle gray, something that reflects your accounting business and builds trust with clients. When you update the primary color here, it will automatically update buttons and accent elements across your entire site. This saves a lot of time and keeps your design consistent. Now click Typography. Here you can adjust your global fonts for headings and body text. Choose something clean and professional. For accounting websites, clean and professional fonts work best for headings, paired with a simple, easy-to-read font for your body text. If you click Buttons, you can globally adjust the button style, including background color, text color, and hover effects. This ensures all buttons across your site look consistent. Once you're finished, click Publish to apply the changes. And just like that, your entire website has a consistent, professional look. Now that everything is customized and ready to go, it's time to publish your website. Click Publish in Elementor to save all changes. Now open your website in a new tab and take a final look. Click through your pages, test your contact form, click your phone number, make sure everything works properly. And just like that, your accounting website is live. And that's it. You now have a fully functional professional accounting website built with WordPress and Elementor without writing a single line of code. From here, you can continue building out your website by adding a services section to highlight what you offer, client testimonials to build trust and credibility, a team or about page to introduce your firm, detailed service pages for things like bookkeeping, tax preparation, or financial consulting, or even consultation and contact forms so potential clients can easily reach out. Your website can grow as your accounting business grows. Just remember, your website is often the first impression potential clients have of your business, so keep it updated, highlight your key services, make your contact information easy to find, and continue improving it as you expand. And if you follow along using Bluehost, you now have reliable hosting that's ready to support your website as it grows. If you haven't grabbed hosting yet, I've left the discounted Bluehost link in the description below, where you can get up to 78% off plus a free domain name. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step website tutorials. And if you have any questions while building your accounting website, drop them in the comments below. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.